Hello friends, today let's see how to solve this kind of square root problems. Square root 0.0289 by 0.0121. So there are two approaches to solve this problem. I'll tell you both. The first one is take this number 0.0289 divided by 0.0121. So now let us first convert this into a whole number. For that, let us multiply this with 10,000. So here we have 4 digits after the decimal point. So we are multiplying with 10,000 in both numerator and denominator. So now we will get it as a whole number. Square root 289 divided by 121. So now we can get the answer easily. Square root 289 is 17. Square root 121 is 11. So the answer is 17 by 11. So what is the other approach? First, square root of 0.0289 divided by square root of 0.121. So now directly we can write the square root of 0.0289. I will tell you how to do that. Square root of 289 is 17. We know that square root of 289 is 17. Now, after decimal point there are 4 digits. So, 4 digits before there is a point. So, here we have to keep the decimal point 2 digits before. That is 1, 2. So, here you have to give the decimal point. So, hope you understood this. 4 digits before there is a decimal point. So, here 2 digits before you have to give a decimal point. Since it is square root, we are giving it 2 digits before the 2 digits before the decimal point. So, same way here also we will get it as 0.11. Now, to make it a whole number, multiply with 100 both on the numerator and the denominator. So, it will become 17 by 11. Thank you.